I'm Isaiah Jack Komaitai. I am the spokesman of the Vunivalu of Mbau, or in other words, the herald of the Vunivalu. Program for Friday, the 10th March of this year, because we are all looking forward to the installation of the High Chief of Kumuna, the Vunivalu Na Tui Kaba. There will be a church service at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock service, church service, and after the church service, by 11:30 will be the installation, the Fijian ceremony, the installation of the Vunivalu. And there will be a Yangona session, and there will be a Kamunanga session for the installation of the Vunivalu of Kumbuna, Turangambale na Vunivalu Na Tui Kaba. And there will be a Yangona ceremony, and then the Kamunanga, and then will another Kamunanga from the Ratu clan, showing support to the installation of the Vunivalu Ratu Epenisa. And that will be the ceremony of the installation. And then there will be 3 meke. The Ngwanesaus warrior, the Wokaloa, and then will be the Mbati of the Vunivalu from Namara, the Ratu Epenisa, and we invite the Anti-Dagombau students to also come and perform the meke on that day. Yeah. It has been 33 years since the death of the late Vunivalu Ratu George Dagombau, the former Governor General, from 1989 till today, 2023. It is 33 years. So 33 years, the Vunua of Mbau, the Vunua of Kumbuna, is without their chief. So on Friday, it will be a big occasion. People of Mbau, people of Kumbuna will be so happy that another Vunivalu is installed. So we are looking forward. The Vunu of Mbau, the Vunu of Kumbuna, I think the whole of Fiji are looking forward to this great occasion, the installation of the Vunivalu of Kumbuna. 1,000 plus. 1,000 plus. We expecting 1,000 plus people of all races to be on this island come Friday.